lot of showers to talk about this summer, but so far not a lot of hurricane activity to track.
So far things have been very quiet. In fact, we're going to check in with Rich Rogers for a look at what's coming up this hurricane season.
Good evening, Paige and Chris. It's hard to believe it's August already, and it's not just time for back to school, but this is also the time of year when we start having to look further out in the Atlantic Ocean for tropical development. As you can see on this chart, the number of tropical storms and hurricanes over a 100-year period tends to rapidly increase during August, reaching its peak around September 10th, with a good bit of activity continuing into October. This is the time of year that we call the Cape Verde season, when we look all the way over to Africa for signs of future tropical storms and hurricanes. Clusters of thunderstorms develop around areas of low pressure that form over the African continent. As these systems move west into the Atlantic Ocean, they sometimes develop into tropical systems as long as weather conditions are favorable. During this time of the year, the Atlantic Ocean is warmest, one of the key ingredients needed for a tropical storm to develop. These storms tend to move west and sometimes threaten the U.S. The most recent storm in the Atlantic, Tropical Storm Dorian, fizzled out due to dry air and wind shear, but it got its start over Africa and signaled the beginning of this year's Cape Verde season. Here for you in the Storm Tracker 26 Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Rich Rogers.